Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you something. How to groom yourselves. First, grab your trimmer. Grab your trimmer. Grab trimmer. Now plug it in. What? Now turn your shaver on. Now shave your arm. That's right. Now shave your arm. That's right. Now shave your arm. Trim. Cut. Now belly hair. Ignore the painful red marks. Shave the chest. Shave the chest. Nipples. Armpit. Bye, armpit hair. Bye, armpit hair. Pluck your nose. Pluck. Don't mind the blood. That's all part of the fun. Now trim your legs. Leg hair.